This material comes with the actual beads that represent each quantity. We have 1 bead representing 1. We have 10 loose beads grouped together to make 10. The 100 square is 10 groups of 10 together. And the 1000 cube is 10 100s grouped together to make 1000. After a child has been introduced with the beads, the actual beads, there is a wooden material for the squares and cubes. So as they're building and reading numbers and doing operations, it's a little easier for them to work with. Numeral cards come with this material as well. These are the small numeral cards and these are the large numeral cards. And children put them together to build and read numbers as well as match them with the quantity. You can see that each card can be layered into its place value from the expanded form into the standard form, and then children read numbers.